Hey there, welcome to How to Login. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to go live on Moj App. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. Moj is an Indian video sharing social networking service owned by Bangalore-based Mahala Tech Private Limited. It features special effects, emoticons, stickers and short videos that have a duration of 15 seconds to 1 minute under genres like dance, travel, singing, acting, comedy, and education. Let me make something clear. If you are new to this app and want to go live, then you cannot go live. What I mean is you must have more than 1,000 followers on Moj account to go live. And if you have got 1,000 followers, then follow these steps to go live. Click on Moj App. If you have more than 1,000 followers, then you will have a live button next to record button. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.